Collecting requirements is the process of gathering and documenting the needs, expectations, and constraints of stakeholders for a project. It is an essential step in the project management process as it helps to ensure that the project meets the needs of all stakeholders and delivers the intended results. The key components of collecting requirements include identifying stakeholders, eliciting requirements, documenting requirements, validating requirements, and managing requirements. Let's talk about them briefly. Identifying stakeholders. This involves identifying all stakeholders who will be affected by the project, including customers, users, sponsors, and other stakeholders. Eliciting requirement. This involves gathering information about the stakeholders' needs, expectations, and constraints. This can be done through various techniques such as interviews, focus groups, surveys, and workshops. Documenting requirements. This involves documenting the requirements in a clear and concise manner. This includes creating a requirements document, which serves as a reference point for the project team and stakeholders. Validating requirements. This involves reviewing and verifying the requirements to ensure that they are accurate and complete. This includes getting feedback from stakeholders and ensuring that all requirements are testable and traceable. Managing requirements. This involves managing changes to the requirements throughout the project. This includes documenting changes, assessing the impact of changes, and getting approval for changes before they are implemented. Effective collecting requirements is essential for ensuring that a project meets the needs of all stakeholders and delivers the intended results. It helps to ensure that the project scope is clearly defined, that the project is aligned with the stakeholders' needs, and that any changes to the requirements are managed in a controlled and effective manner. See you in the next lecture.